Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use split screen mode in OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone. Okay, to use it, first open an application. Okay, now swipe up with three fingers like this to go in split screen mode. Now open the another app to use the split screen mode like this, and this is to drag up and down to adjust the window size. You can see, and here you can see swap sites also available. You can see, tap over there and swap sites, and swipe up or down completely to again go in full screen mode. And if we go in recent tasks, tap over there. So here you can see split screen, tap on split screen to go in split screen mode like this. You can see, swipe up or down completely to again go in full screen mode. And if we open the smart sidebar, so here you can see, just touch and hold the application and release here to go in split screen mode like this. You can see, now open the another application to use the split screen mode like this, and this is to swap the sides. Here you can see, swipe up or down completely to again go in full screen mode, and swipe up with three fingers to again go in split screen mode. So guys, this is a method to use split screen mode in OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.